Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 911 Targa GTS. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, so the exterior is in excellent condition. Let's have a look inside. Driver's side looks fine. Let's have a look at the passenger side. The passenger side looks fine. Let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in good condition. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.